All right, guys. So let's go ahead and check out how Bitcoin is, and what are the forecasts of some of the articles that we could find in the internet. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. But of course, you got to go ahead and check out my channel first. This is the NFT Tigers. I upload cryptocurrency video daily, and they are actually very, very helpful for you to get to know the project better. All right, so Bitcoin has continued to face a deepening corrective phase, with the price action pressured by a combination of macroeconomic uncertainty and the geopolitical risk. Now, at the same time, guys, escalating geopolitical tensions have added to market unease, and it encourages the investors to scale back exposure amid the heightened volatility. So, should you invest in Bitcoin right now? That is actually the question that a lot of people are asking. Well, you have leverage, you have the futures trading, but again, you have to make sure that you know what you're doing, right? Because there you could earn when Bitcoin goes down, you could also earn when Bitcoin goes up. But for like the token or the Bitcoin hodlers, right now, I mean, it's tough to judge if this is a good time or not, because I mean, it goes down to 80. I mean, at one point it went to like 75 or 76,000, which is wow. I mean, we haven't gone that far for a pretty long time already. Now, additional pressure has come from reduced institutional inflows and increased liquidation of the leverage positions, now reinforcing that short-term downside momentum. So operational challenges are actually within the mining sector, which also includes that temporary disruptions that are caused by external factors have also influenced the sentiment that is drawing attention to the network level risk during the periods of stress. So guys, also make sure to go ahead and check this one out. I will put the link in the description of the video. That way you could read through this, because this is actually a good read for you to have like a feel on what's going on, right? So guys, I also wanted to take this advantage to show this to you guys. Grape has introduced an AI-driven tool on its mainnet, which also includes an assistant designed to simplify the creation of tokens, websites, and decentralized applications through the natural language inputs. Now, this approach reflects a broader industry pushing toward lowering technical barriers for builders and creators. Now, let me show this to you guys. Okay, this is also their tech paper. I would strongly recommend that you include this in your research. That way you could get to know more on who they are and what they do and what are the stuff that you need to know about them. Now, when you are logged in to grapewallet.org, this is the dashboard that you will see. All right, so you have the latest transactions, you have the portfolios, you have the option to pay here as well. So you can make payments, you could also receive payments from this. Okay, you could continue the transfer, you have send to, so pay with. All right, so those are all in there, and of course you would be able to monitor the transactions that you do, and the block explorer is also here. So just like the ETH scan or the BSC scan, they also are able to show you the explorer. That way you would be able to see those transactions. Okay, and you also have the builder AI. Now, for the builder AI, guys, this is an intelligent assistant for creating blockchain projects. Okay, you could create tokens here, you could deploy smart contracts, and you could also generate ICO projects and configure your tokenomics by describing your project right here. So go ahead and check this one out. Link to this will also be in the description of the video. That you could cut. That way you could explore and see if this is something that you would also be needing. So, and if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.